Thank you for calling CTHM Restaurant. This is Christopher Travis. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation.
Certainly. Whom I am speaking to?
Mr. Nino Edison Calayo.
May I spell out your name? Nino Sulayao. Did I get your name correct, sir?
Yes,
May I know your contact details?
0976-130-4057.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Edison, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, sir?
Today.
For how many people, sir?
For 2, please.
What time do you want your reservation is?
6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 28, 2024. For 2 person only in the non-smoking area under your name, Mr. Nino Sulayao, with contact number of 0976-130-4057. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, sir?
None.
Mr. Nino, thank you for patronizing CTHM Amanta Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
I appreciate your help. I look forward to have a dinner at your restaurant. Thank you.